Simulan daw natin sa personal horror experiences. Kayo ba may mga na-experience kayo?
Nulo!
Bigla daw sumilip yung pinsan ko. Ito yung pintuan, gumanon, tapos nakangiti. 2 hours nang wala yung pinsan ko. Sino yung gumanon sa kanya na nakangiti?
Ikaw, meron ka?
Any
Yeah.
personal stories?
I don't know what it is. Maybe because I'm not from the province or something. I don't have any like crazy stories. But I don't know. I'm growing up. I've never had any like paranormal activities or anything like that. But I had a cat growing up, and her name was Lulu, and she passed away. Right. And like there's no other cats in the area. Like really, in my neighborhood, in my cul-de-sac, Lulu is the only cat. Like there's no other cats. And actually, she only stays inside. There's no other cats there. So at the time, Lulu had passed away, So unfortunately, she passed away. And I really live in like a separate guest room other than my house. So on the ceiling, like I really hear everything. So when it's raining, I really feel it on the roof. Like you could really hear it. So that same week when Lulu had passed away, like at nighttime, I had woken up from something like walking on my roof.
You can hear like the steps.
Like steps on my roof, and it's like very, very weird too. And also, like we had buried my cat in the backyard. And I really live like in the guest room in the backyard. So when I heard someone like, what the hell is this like going on here? And it really sounds like not like a cat. And really like there's no raccoons, no other cats in my place. Like it's not like that. It's a very, very quiet neighborhood and not a lot of pets. So yeah, I don't know. That's like the only thing I've really fully experienced in
Lulu was just saying good night, bro.
watching over me. So I guess it's not really horror, but I was pretty scared because I don't know what it was.
Pero alam mo yung sa Maka din.
Ano?
Yung may nagpapatay ng camera.
Wait, meron ba?
Meron yung
Season 1?
Hindi, season 2 na.
Oh.
Yung
Oo, nakwento ni Clifford.
sa mom ni Ashley, may kumalabit sa tent. Tapos wala naman tao dun sa tent. Tapos yung yung mga cameraman kasi, meron doon isa, nakakita daw siya ng multo. So, parang pinaglalaroan yung system. Kaya biglang, minsan, nagtitaping, tapos biglang nakakat. Kasi pinaglalaroan daw ng bata na multo.
Oh, ito, kwento ko na to. Ito na, di pa ako tapos, man.
Okay,
Ito na, legit tong kwento.
Ito na yan.
Okay, so sa Davao ako nito. So, I was sleeping. In the middle of the night, I woke up.
Yeah.
Tapos, when I woke up, di ako makagalaw. Like, I couldn't move.
Sleep paralysis.
Paralysis.
I couldn't move. Tapos, siyempre nag-ano na ako doon, parang tinatry kong gumalaw, di ko makagalaw. Tapos, nakaramdam ako ng mabigat sa likod ko. Like, dito, nakaganyan kasi ako. Like, I was sleeping sideways. Nakaramdam ako may tumabi sa akin dito. Na parang may weight sa likod ko. Ganun lang ako, di ako makaimik. Tapos, biglang may bumubulong sa akin, bro. Di ko na maintindihan.
Natulog ka na ulit.
Tapos sumigaw ako isa parang ganun hanggang sa parang nakawala ako. Sumigaw ako. Nakagano di ako gumagalaw pero Sumigaw ako 2 times. Tapos nung pangatlo kong sigaw, biglang nakagalaw na ako. Tapos syempre parang feeling ko ang dami ko nang pinagdaanan, 'di ba? Parang Diyos ko may bumulong na sa akin. Sumigaw na ako 3 beses. Pasok ako sa kwarto ng nanay ko, magkatabi lang yung pinto namin eh. Sabi ko, sumigaw na ako 3 beses, di ka man lang pumasok sa kwarto para i-check kung kamusta ako. Sabi niya, nak, dumaan na ako sa kwarto mo, sobrang tahimik.
Yeah. Para kang nananaginip.
So, nakabi ko, ha? Hayop? Grabe na yung sigaw ko, Mi. Tapos sinabi mo, wala, sobrang tahimik daw. So yun na. Yung ko na-realize na parang I was asleep probably. Sleep paralysis yun, na binangungot ako. Pero feeling ko kasi yung last ko na parang, sabi ko, gumana na ako. Tapos wala siyang narinig. Which is just weird to me. Yun na yun!
Yung sa house namin sa Pampanga. Yung house sa trailer, doon mismo. Sorry. Kasi merong scene na kinakalagkad ako. And then, parang, ito yung hallway, tapos ito ako, ito yung camera. So, pag ganun, tapos parang nahagip sa area na to na may dalawang nakatayo. Isang may shoes, tapos isang shadow na black na walang shoes. Tapos, kinat, kasi parang, sino yung nakatayo dyan? Eh, nandun yung PA ko sa likod na area. Nakita niya talaga na walang tao at all. So, ginawa na lang joke ng taping na parang, uy, umami na, ayaw lang mapagalitan, ganun. Pero, alam talaga namin na wala talagang tao na nakatayo dun. Kasi, syempre, camera dun yung shot, walang tatayo dun, lalo nung nirehearse pa lang. So, wala talaga. Pero nakita sa preview din na may dalawang ang nakatayo dun. Tapos umatras sila, tapos biglang naglaho. Eh, wala na silang aatrasan kasi yun na yung wall. So, wala na talaga silang magaganunan. Para bigla silang magically nawala.
Magic.
Yan, natakot ako nun. Pero dahil madami naman kami, nawala naman yung takot. Pero pag uwi ko, shucks, minulto.
And that's it. Thank you for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed and loved our stories.
Yes, and you guys have more horror stories, please comment them down below.
At syempre, iniimbitahan po namin kayo manood ng
Huwag kang titingin this April 15 in Cinemas Nationwide!
Pwede kayong tumingin.